What's up, everybody? It's been a while since I've dropped a video. Things have just been out of control busy for me. Been filming some. Got a couple half videos together that'll drop whenever. One of them will be, well, maybe three of them. The Smurf is here. Some new stuff. Lots of new stuff. And that video will drop kind of just a session where we got the engine in and just did a garage day of hanging out, having fun. And then I made some presents for the rear end, which other social media platforms kind of gave that away. Did record a bunch of footage on that, so we'll cover that one. Today is actually my birthday, so trying not to work too hard. It's already been a 12-hour day. Let's get a little more work done here before I have a big fat ribeye for my birthday dinner and cake. Got myself a new hat because the Mariners dropped new merch. And presents. One present from Stav built. Guy's crushing it, coming out with a bunch of cool stuff. Stuff that I can make, and guess what? He beat me to it. I'll order his parts. Saves me the trouble of trying to make them. And then this is from Speedometers Northwest, which isn't speedometer stuff. This would be parts for version like 2.5, 3, 4, at least manifold number 3. Whatever throttle. He's going different management on the M5 build. I wasn't doing YouTube way back then. Kind of built a bunch of stuff on A's M5. And whatever, we get older and cars aren't a problem. Or cars aren't priority. So kids, houses, horses in his case, not horsepowers, horses, eat up your time and budget. And sometimes just the family and kids are way more important than cars, right? Anyway, he's got some fire in his butt. And he needs an adapter made. O-ring. I'm going to lose all this stuff. Need adapter. Cable throttle body to drive-by-wire flange as thin as possible. So he's going from cable. That's what's on the manifold now. To 103 millimeter solar performance drive-by-wire. Up driver's side, mounted this way. Okay. So 107 effective. What's that mean? 103, 107. I don't know what that means. I got to go from that bolt pattern to this bolt pattern. I'll figure it out. As thin as possible. Cool. All right. Stav. What did the Justin Malacca McDonald? What's a Malacca? Comment down below if you know what a Malacca is. Anyway, maybe that means I'm part of the crew. A crack pipe. We are in the lovely land where there's no criminal prosecution for drugs around here, so crack pipes might be a big hit. These aren't new to the world, billet crack pipes. You know, in the VR6 world, this replaced the plastic one that cracked all the time. Very nice piece, Stav. Hardware with a washer, turned, O-ringed. Lube that guy up, stuff her in. You guys saw a driveway engine build a while ago. Guess what's still on an engine stand? So, crack pipe for it. And then Stav built sticker. Another Stav built sticker. And another Stav built sticker. Cool. This one, I didn't need it, but he had it. I had an option between silver and black. I took the silver because I heard that 12 valves with silver parts are way better than 24 valves. Let me know if you agree on that or not. That's a hot topic. Anyway. Sweet. Once again, something I can make. Not on my hit list to do. So glad Stav did it. Also, maybe behind the scenes, Stav's coming out with more stuff than I can come out with. Potentially, maybe we combine some powers here and get some Stav built stuff on the Nubworks website. Me and him will talk about that and just see what we can get going, just to get his stuff out there and more products out to people faster. They don't do anybody any good sitting in my head not getting out there. So if he can jump on it and handle manufacturing in a quality way, which these look very quality, then I will help spread his name and get his parts out there. So we'll see where that goes. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. And some cool excitement's coming later this week. I don't know when that video will drop, but this guy hopefully is not going to be angry anymore. So we'll get to him and see you in the next video.